An old, well-spoken woman goes to a pet store to buy a parrot. Everything is fine until she brings it home. It begins to swear uncontrollably. F this, F that, F you. And finally, the lady can't stand it anymore. So she grabs the bird, shoves it in the freezer and slams the door shut, squawking and shrieking and pounding and cursing coming out of the freezer for a few moments. Then it goes quiet. The woman is scared that she's hurt the bird and opens the freezer. The parrot then walks out calmly and steps gently onto the woman's outstretched hand. He looks her in the eyes and says, "Ma'am, I'm truly sorry if my language offended you and this will not recur ever again. I promise. If I may ask, what did the chicken do?"
You know what? I've seen this one before.
What did the chicken do?